just the screens, it is Superdan dealing in a desert. June 6, 2020. What interesting times we live in. Welcome to another fabulous Jigsaw puzzle video. On the last puzzle, which was puzzle number 11, we have finished the Fazino 2000 piece. Welcome to Fabulous Las Vegas puzzle. Took me a while. It was challenging, but we got it done. Looks great. We're going to frame it soon and put it on the wall somewhere outside the man cave slash office slash whatever you call it of Superdan. Now, we are on puzzle number 12. It is another fine art collection piece. Remember the last one we did, I believe, was the Vincent van Gogh Night at the Thalys, right? Yeah. Well, this one, and you may have recognized it from certain things and Thomas Crown Affair and all that stuff, is Rene Magritte's Son of Man. Rene Magritte, Son of Man. Look at that. Look at that. Good looking guy, huh? Surrealist painter. Actually, the apple does not have anything to do with Adam and Eve, according to the artist. I mean, I looked at this and I thought, okay, well, this is some type of allegory of the apple that man ate, back in the garden of good and evil, whatever, ate the apple, gave him knowledge of man, and gave him the knowledge of God or whatever, and whatever. It's been a long time since I went to Sunday school, but nothing to do with that. It's an interpretation. The artist said, you can fill in the blanks with this, whatever this says to you. To me, it's a guy in a bowler's hat with an apple on his face. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know. Every time I look at this, I think something different. Right now, I'm thinking about a guy who is with stormy clouds in the back. Maybe he's conflicted. Maybe there's, I'm thinking maybe there's problems in the interior. In the exterior, he has this conservative persona that society expects him to be, but inside he's very different. So that's to me the stormy clouds. The apple, I keep thinking of Eve, but I know that's not really what it's about. But anyways, long story short, 1,000 piece, Son of Man, very famous painting. It is owned right now by some private collector. Surprise, surprise, some billionaire who probably just buys art that he likes on a whim. We don't know. I couldn't find who that is, but it's somebody. And we are going to put this sucker together. So, strategy. What I'm thinking, of course, separating the borders, right? And then we're going to separate the dark pieces, right? Anything that's dark, the hat, the jacket, the edges, anything that's dark, we're going to separate that. And all the other pieces, we're going to separate that. So we're probably going to have 3 piles, right? We're going to have the border, the black pieces, and then everything else. That's the plan. And hey, let's get it started. Thank you for watching. Superdan's Dealing in the Desert. champs. Well, we just finished the sorting process, and let me show you how we sorted it. Basically, darks, lights, and the flat pieces. Here are the flat pieces here, and we got two boxes. One box has the lighter colored pieces, and the other box has the darker colored pieces. And that's how we did it. Best I could. There's probably going to be a little bit of mix, but not too bad, I don't think. But we'll worry about that when we get there. Right now, the next step is to put the border together, the border of the Son of Man, Rene Magritte puzzle, 1,000 piece Eurographics. Ladies and germs, we have finished the border of the Son of Man. It feels so much smaller because I just got done with that big 2,000 piece puzzle, but the border is vertical. But let me show you. All right, so this is going to be the border of the Son of Man. We got it done. It looks good. Got all the pieces. All the pieces fit nicely. Eurographics always makes very nice. Nice puzzles. I'm not sure what we're going to be starting on yet, but the detail, we'll see. It's gonna be some work. It's not gonna be it's not gonna be super simple. But we'll start with some other piece of the puzzle and work our way from that, and that'll be included in this part 1. So. On to the next step, the detail. Working on the Son of Man, and I think we're at the part where it's getting kind of tough. Basically, just because the pieces seem to be the same, and I'm having a hard time differentiating the shades. But I'm working on it. So let me show you where we're at. Puzzle right now in all its glory. As you can see, it's getting there, right? Not much done with the coat yet, but that will change. And then we are working on, of course, the sky on the top, which corresponds to that. And then the coat, which corresponds to that. Minute shades of black and gray, and minute shades of sky. I do believe that we'll be able to finish this puzzle in part one. So we're just gonna have one part for Son of Man. We'll just make it one video. So be patient. It'll get there. Superdan here, dealing in the desert. We are working on The Son of Man by Rene Magritte. And we're almost done. We're almost done. I worked on the sky and it was quite challenging. Quite challenging. We just have the jacket left to do, and that's probably going to be challenging as well. The pieces look the same, cut the same. It took time. It took a lot of time. But as you can see, we have made some great progress. Terrific progress. So this is just going to be one video, folks. Son of Man, puzzle number 11. Let's get to the finish line and cross it. Well, ladies and gentlemen, June 23rd, 2020, through sheer will, grit, and determination, we have finished the Rene Magritte Son of Man puzzle 1000 piece. It was not easy, especially the sky, but even more especially the jacket. I'm gonna have nightmares about that jacket. Very difficult because the pieces were very similar and in similar colors, so it was challenging indeed. Didn't have problems much with the face. Didn't have much problems with the wall, the brick wall, or the ocean. No problems. But when it came to the sky and the jacket, that's where you're gonna get your work cut out for you. But it is completed. Beautiful puzzle. I didn't have to pay millions of dollars to have it. It's almost an exact replica of the actual art piece. Says here it's a museum premium reproduction quality puzzle by Eurographics. So let me show you it real close real quick, and then we'll call it a puzzle session. There it is, Magritte. Rene Magritte, Son of Man. What does it mean to you? Well, to me, I always thought it looked like someone who was conservative on the outside, but on the inside was struggling with the world. That's what I got from it. But it's a surrealist painting. The artist said it can mean whatever you want it to mean. He said the apple does not have any allegory to Adam and Eve. He just put it there. But it means whatever you want it to mean. So, there you have it. Alright, well, thanks for watching this edition of Superdan's Jigsaw Puzzles. And I don't know what the next one's going to be. It's probably going to be another art piece. And I'll show it to you when it becomes available. Thanks for watching. Click the thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one. Support the channel. Cheers.